But I'm saying, if it's a real friend,
he can't remember you.
I mean, see, I pay for you. You beautiful.
Okay.
It's the fellas talking right now.
What do you mean? I can't be in here?
That mean you need to go to the bed.
I'm not finna go to the bed disguise.
I'm here to pay the rent. You need to go to the back when the fellas up there.
Okay, but this is my house. You can leave.
Oh, yeah, he's getting messy.
Okay, but you know you just said me. You can leave.
I
Because I'm saying,
You need to go to the
get
back.
out. When you do that,
Oh my God, and I got it all on camera. One of the things that women need to understand, when you are disrespectful, you make yourself look bad. Why would you be with somebody that you can't respect? I do not think that women should be in the company of men. I think that that is a sign she has no respect for you and she doesn't know her place as a woman. If you're in this situation as a man, I think you really seriously need to consider getting rid of the woman.
What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Pensive Mind. Today we are going to be reacting to yet another Kevin Samuels video. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let's go.
Tamara?
Hey, I'm here.
Are you gonna lie to me too, or you gonna tell the truth?
No, let's talk.
All right. What's going on, Tamara?
What's up? What's up? So,
Well, first off, do you have children?
I do. I'm a baby mama.
You're a
Like,
baby mama. Are you like a Fantasia baby mama, or are you like a Brandy baby mama? Two different songs.
I like both of them.
Okay.
So I can't put them down.
How many children do you have?
I have one.
Okay. And how old are you?
I'm 30.
Are you married?
I am not. I'm a baby mama.
Okay. So what my question initially was, is there any chance for you baby mamas to get a high value man?
baby mama. We hear that too often. I think more often than we should hear. You hear what I'm saying?
And if so, what should you have to do? What do you have to say on the subject?
Yeah, it's harder to get those guys that a lot of women competing with when you have kids. It's not impossible though, because a good woman is a good woman. You feel me? But it definitely is harder.
So I feel like I am attracting high value men. The guy that I'm talking to, I've been talking to him for like 6 months, and he is marriage minded, and he does throw out, questions and
Do you have a
stuff
son
about
do you have a son or a daughter?
I have a daughter,
Okay. And your daughter's how old?
7.
Okay. So he's
Yeah.
marriage minded?
He is. He's marriage minded. And so, I mean, of course, it's 6 months now. So it might be to the point where we should probably be exclusive. But he hasn't actually asked me to be exclusive.
Whoa. That doesn't compute.
You're right.
How can he be marriage minded and you're not exclusive?
No, we're not exclusive. Like, he's made comments about, me being his wife. I want you to be my wife.
Are you guys
And
sexually active?
What someone says versus what someone does, two different things. He'll say anything, obviously, especially if he's getting the cheese. And I'm pretty sure he's getting the cheese. He'll say anything. Yeah, man, I'm marriage, man. Boom. But is he going along with it? Come on now.
No, we haven't had sex.
She capped.
Okay. Why?
Why? Because I'm stingy. I'm stingy with the puss.
She capping, bro. She dude smack. So.
Excuse me?
I'm stingy with it. I do not give it up easily.
Were you married to your daughter's? You're a baby mama though, right?
My baby, I've never been married, no, but I just
Okay,
don't.
so
I know.
hold on. Let's talk about this though. See, I find it funny that women like yourself, baby mamas, all of a sudden want to get stingy with the puss after you done gave your womb up before a ring, and then you want the high value men
Talk that talk.
to put a ring on it before he gets it.
So am I supposed to give it away?
You goddamn right you already did. Because here's the thing. See, that's what I mean. Man, you're a used vehicle wanting brand new 2021 prices. You can laugh all you want to, ma'am, but you just said 6 months. You're not even exclusive. You're talking about he's marriage-minded.
So you're telling me they been dating 6 months and he ain't got no... You know she lying. First of all, she's lying. And second of all, if he is high value, he been gone already. Unless he's a devout Christian who want to wait to marriage before he smacks something. But if he not that, he's not. As a high value man waiting for you for 6 months, is you crazy? No.
Think he's inserting his penis in his hand?
No, that's the thing. He could be inserting it somewhere else.
Exactly, because here's the thing. Men with options don't play these games.
Facts.
I'm not telling you what you have to do, but I'm telling you that if you're telling us or telling me that you have had sex with a man and had a child outside of marriage, and then you go into the dating market and telling another guy, you got to pay a higher price than this other guy did. Is the child's father in the life?
Yeah, he's in his life. He's in her life.
Is he a high value man?
No.
I would say so.
No.
Yeah,
But is he making $10,000 a month or more?
No.
Then he's not a high value man.
Wow. This is always insane to hear every single time we break it down. The old guy.
I'm at 7 right now. I'm at 7,000 a month. I'm gonna be transparent with y'all because I want y'all to see the come up. But 7,000 residually, meaning if I don't do nothing, I got 7,000 residually coming in. But including like my puppy sales and stuff, that's like 3,500 every now and then, like 3,500. Like I just made 7,000 off my puppies this time. And then I gotta, you know what I'm saying? Wait, so I'll be having money coming in sporadically too. So it could equal out to all my money together, 10,000 a month. But residually that I know I can count on no matter what. If I don't do nothing, I have 7,000 coming in a month. So I'm trying to get that, like I say, to 10,000 and up and up and up. But that's what we all have to do. We have to think about residual. Like if we don't do nothing, what type of money you got coming in? Like if you don't work, you don't do nothing coming in every month. You feel me? So I'm almost at that 10,000 residually if I don't do nothing. You feel me? But I think I should be at probably over 10,000, including like, you know what I'm saying, the other stuff I got coming in and sales and stuff like that. So, but I don't go by the high value title. I just go by like, I'm just a real guy. I'm a real person. You feel me? And I'm married anyway. I was married before I was anywhere close to having money like I have today, you know, so. All that high value stuff don't mean nothing, man. You ain't got to be high value to get a good girl. A good girl will help you become that high value. You feel me? And that's what my girl did. She helped me get to where we at. You feel me? We did it together.
He was good enough. He was good enough for them to do their activities. He was good enough for them to have a baby. But the next guy, she's gonna make the next man wait over 6 months.
That's wild.
And then men out here are like, do you see what we have to deal with? Do you see the options that are out there? This is part of it. This is part of the insanity.
There's a guy that you've been with 6 months who's non-exclusive, making $10,000 a month or more.
Yeah, he is.
So in other words, the broke nigga got the pussy in the womb for free, but the rich nigga can't even get. This is crazy. This is crazy.
I honestly think that a lot of the advice out.
That's a fact, bro. They got it twisted. You hear me?
Is to reserve the goodies.
There's no reserving anything, ma'am. You've already had a child. See the advice that you're getting that from. Let me take it down a bit. The advice that you ladies are getting that from is from women.
Nah, probably Steve Harvey, but Steve Harvey is the king simp. You hear me? A lot of these women listening to the king of simpdom. You hear me? And he ain't giving you no good knowledge. Look at his situation, man. He ain't nobody to listen to. Come on, bro. But yeah, and other women as well, like you say.
I'm telling you, as a man, as a high value man who have high value men, clients and friends, this is one of the things that puts you in the no category. He may enjoy your time. He may like seeing you, but I guarantee you this, you are not seriously on his radar. Because there's no way he can go back and tell his colleagues, other high value men, this story and maintain respect. You are saying you had a child with a lower value man, but then you're with a higher value man and you won't even have sex.
And that man actually was speaking about marriage. So not only is he a high value man, he was a high value man that was expected.
But the girl is lying, bro. She been sending him 6 months. She think he ain't clapping. She just did that for the show. Say he ain't getting nothing for the show so she can look modest. Bro, I do not believe she's sending him. Man, come on, bro.
Marriage and telling you he wants marriage. With that guy, you make him jump through hoops. But the guy that didn't have the money, didn't have all the stuff, didn't marry you, you let him get it for nothing. And what you're evidently showing men is when you come to the forefront with everything and good intentions and you're nice and you have all your stuff together, they'll make you work harder. What type of sense does that make?
You're not a child. You're 30, right?
I'm 30, yeah.
So why are you playing games with this sex? It's manipulation, ma'am. That's what it is.
But it's not. It's
It's
not
6
okay.
months, ma'am. It's not 6 days. It's manipulation.
Yeah, I mean, at some point we can get to that point.
No,
but
you
I'm
can
not-
see.
Some
And see, here's
point.
what'll happen. Let me tell you. Let me go ahead and play the magic 8-ball for you. When you finally decide to give it up to him, he's gonna take it and then he's gonna split. Because men do not like to be played like this.
That's it.
Yes. My guess is you've already blown this. Men do not like to be played like this. He has investments in this, so he wants to get the tail. But I don't know. Here's the thing. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. You've heard this from Steve Harvey and all these other dating gurus, but you know what? No men follow Steve Harvey.
No.
There are no men in these audiences. And one of the biggest mistakes you ladies try to do is to become born again virgins, waiting 90 days after you're already mothers. You're laughing, but you played yourself.
She knows it's true. She knows it's true.
You said he's marriage minded, but then you say he's not monogamous. Why would he be?
Speechless.
That's a question.
Okay.
Did you ever think of it this way? Or are you thinking of it like most women, like you're in the power position? You're approaching this like you are in the power position in a negotiation. Do you make more than him?
I do.
There you go.
Wow.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Right there. You make
But it's
more.
not even-
You make more than him, but you had baby for a lesser man. Woo! The Godfather is certified.
That was crazy.
Mistake though. It's not just one.
Godfather son.
I know you made a mistake, ma'am. I get it. I get it. But let me try to help you with how men look at this. You earn on par with the high value man?
You're asking me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. You earn on par with him and he's getting less from you. How long were you with the child, your child's father, your baby daddy?
Oh, he giving her the business. She need this though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
How long were y'all together?
Probably 4 years.
4 years. And in what year did you have your child?
We were off and on. I had my child in 2012.
I don't know what that means, ma'am. I don't know your life. What year of the relationship?
2012. Can you hear me?
Yes, but how
What?
long had you been together before you got pregnant?
About a year.
So, you've been with him for 6 months. He can't get no coochie. You are with this lower earning man for a year and he can get a baby.
Wow.
I was young. Yeah.
Oh, see, let me stop you right there. That's some bullshit.
I know, but where do we go from here?
Oh, here's where you go from here. Here's where you go from here. Here's where you go from here. Are you listening? You listening?
Have my attention.
Don't fuck this up. Playing games. You're playing games. And I'm trying to help you not fuck this up. You're lucky to have somebody even dealing with you, especially somebody at his level, and you're playing games with him. There are younger women out without children out there who are not putting him through this.
But here's another thing, though. Exactly. And he can go get it from the
Exactly. So here's the thing. Can you go get another one of him?
Yeah.
Okay, then good luck to that. See, that's what I wanted to hear. See, ladies, this is what I need you to hear. This woman is playing games. This woman is playing games, and that's what I mean. No. This is what this woman is playing games. She's got a man, sounds like a decent man, and she's slow playing him. And ultimately, it's because she got her own money. And if he needs something, he can go get it from somewhere else. Brother, I hope you do go get it from somewhere else.
Please do.
Because this woman thinks at 30 years old, she's still thinking she's 20-something. She's hit the wall. She just don't know it yet.
Get him going with the taps.
He gave her the business.
Wow.
What you are now witnessing is the birth of an eternal 7. In 5 to 7 years, this woman is going to become hell on wheels to men. This is going to be where all the good men, all these dusties and crusties and downloads, and I can't get this, can't get that. You've heard about them on the channel. Anytime I talk to a woman in their mid to late 30s, early 40s, I can't find no good man, and then find out what? You didn't had one, but you slow played him. Remember? Months and months and months, you've heard these women had a baby early on. Well, I was dumb and made a mistake. But then you want to make this other guy jump through hoops that this guy didn't jump through. For those who are keeping score at home, for a year, she got pregnant with a guy in a year who's making less money than her. And she's been with a high earning man for 6 months. He ain't seen no parts of the punani. He's already talked about.
Hey, man, tell me what y'all think about that video in the comments, man. But absolute truth, bro. Absolute truth, man. These dating coaches, man, got messed up out here, man. Got these people, these women out here, you feel me? Just delusional. But hey, see you guys next video. And hey, be safe out there, kings. Let's get it, man.